Indiana Dunes country can't be explored in just one afternoon. That's why we have a variety of lodging options to help you extend your stay and get a refreshing night's sleep. In this series, we'll focus on one-of-a-kind accommodations waiting for you when you visit nature's masterpiece. Located on 6.5 secluded acres just outside of Valparaiso, Indiana, Songbird Prairie Bed and Breakfast truly is a get-away-from-it-all destination. Housed in a beautiful colonial-style home, it's set off the beaten path with lovely trails and natural gardens perfect for strolls and birdwatching. It has even been listed in Midwest Living Travel as one of their 25 top B&Bs. Each Songbird-themed guest room has a fireplace, luxurious robes, a private bathroom with a spa tub for two, and heated floors perfect for cold winter mornings. Chromotherapy tubs are available upon request. Every morning at 9 a.m., you'll enjoy a gourmet breakfast in the large sunroom, where you can watch and listen to the birds dining on their breakfast at the mic'd bird feeders outside the windows.
The birds at breakfast, a lot of them don't know the birds, and so since my grandfather and parents were birders, I can identify the birds by sight or sound, so I can tell them what they are, and many times they go home with bird feeders and bird food from the gift shop.
Songbird Prairie can easily accommodate large groups such as weddings and corporate events. A dinner service is available with advance notice. Songbird Prairie makes a serene, secluded location from which to strike out and explore the majesty of the Indiana Dunes. And it's just a short drive away from our community downtowns where you can find fantastic shopping, amazing restaurants, and vibrant entertainment. Contact Songbird Prairie Bed and Breakfast at 877-766-4273 or visit songbirdprairie.com. For more information about what to do during your stay in Indiana Dunes country, visit Indiana Dunes Tourism at indianadunes.com. To continue in our lodging series, select a location from the menu.